Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here at the world famous Baga beach in North Goa. I'm going to be showing you guys the nightlife. I'm going to be showing you guys the shacks, the free parties, everything that's happening on this beach. So let's go and check out this amazing place here in Goa. Okay guys, so we are at the main entrance of the Baga beach right now, and as you can see, it's colorful, it's bright, it's lit up here, and we are going to enter into the main shack area here. So over here, this is the main famous shack that is here, which is called the Lario Shack. So as you can see, people are already starting to dance here, and people are starting to, let me just show you. So yeah guys, so the music is super loud, and as you can see, the crowd here. So these shacks will get full in a while from now, but let me just go and show you guys here. So yeah, we are here at the main Aggie shack in Baga guys right now. These are the main shacks this side, if you see here, and on this side of the beach here we have all these beach tables here with candlelight dinner. The sea is super low tide today, so you can actually enjoy the beach and walk up way far there. So if you see here, there's so many people right now, and let's just go up to the beach shacks here and show you guys the nightlife here, what is happening. And as you can see, the people are all dancing and enjoying themselves. I think these are people from the northeast now for here on holiday, but yeah, having a great time. The music is super loud, so I'm trying to not get copyrighted by talking loudly here. So everybody is having a great time. So yeah guys, we are going to walk to the listing. I'm just going to show you last. Yeah, so this is the shack here. Let's go to the other shacks that are here right now and show you the scene. So these shacks will all get full like a little later. So as I said, I'm here early. It's about 8:30 in the evening, but around 10 o'clock is when the main crowd comes in. This is the St. Anthony's restaurant here, which is a very popular restaurant, and there's a lot of people here. You can get hookah, you can get drinks, everything possible here. So yeah, it's super hard walking in the sand, but yeah, I'm just showing you guys the scenes from here. Sorry about the loud noise, but let me just walk up here and show you a little bit of the shack. So here you have all the candlelight dinner places here. There they have a DJ at the main console there, which is really good for a party later in the night. So around maybe 8 o'clock, or sorry not 8 o'clock, around 10 o'clock is when the real good crowd comes in, and you can have a nice dance session here. Most of these shacks to dance or whatever, it's completely free. This is over here is Brito's. This is a famous restaurant here as well. It's super dark, so you can't see anything, but we are going to walk down as much as possible. This is one of the best restaurants for seafood, and it's like a very decent upmarket restaurant, and the entrance is from the main side. So yeah guys, we are going to walk up a little bit here. These are Lakshmi's. There is Baga Perelia there in the distance, but yeah, we are going to walk and check out as much as possible. It's still early, and I'm shooting on a weekday, that's why the crowd is not as much. But if you come here on a weekend, it is completely packed. You'll have hundreds and hundreds of people here. So yeah guys, we're just going to walk up here and see a little bit of the scenes from here. Okay. So yeah guys, let's go a little ahead. This is the Baga Perelia. As you can see, the lighting is super nice here. You can get some really good photos here for Instagram or Facebook or whatever. There's a lot of colorful lighting all across here, and this is called the Bristow Bar and Restaurant. So people have started to come in at the main entrance. This is about 10 minutes from when I started shooting now, but yeah, most of the people are coming in here. And yeah, let me just show you another really nice place. In the distance there is this place called La Calypso. So La Calypso is a really nice place which is there. It's a very upmarket place, and they have like these beautiful cabanas. I don't know if you can really see them, but those are the cabanas that they have there. Very nice place. So it's super dark, but I'm just going to show you guys this side. So we came in all the way from the entrance there, and yeah, we are going to walk to another place which is called Cafe Loval here. Now Cafe Loval is very popular for people coming to click photos with the hearts here. So I'm trying to walk as fast as possible here in the sand to show you. This is one of my friends' shack here, and this is like a really nice place. They have like good music, it's super loud. And then yeah, let me just show you close up here. So yeah, this is like super nice here. So yeah, this is the place here, and let's just see the other places that are around here, and we'll see the, you know, the places which you can click photos. Oh, sorry, somebody just banged into me. So yeah, this is the lighting here, which is so nice. We'll just go around here and check out the other places. So yeah, let's go. And yeah, so yeah guys, look at these umbrellas. How cool is this? You'll get some really good photos at these umbrellas here. Yeah, so let's keep on walking. There's a lot of people on the beach also, but yeah, this is nice because it's so lit up, so I can show you guys. Like, look at the people dancing and having a great time here. So this is like the best vibes of Goa. The food and drinks are pretty decent here. There's beers and things are. So looks like we have some of our viewers here. What's up, guys? So we have some of our viewers. Hi, nice to meet you guys. Hi. Well, enjoying Goa? So I don't know if you guys can see them, but yeah, so these are our viewers here. Yeah, so anyway guys, I'll see you guys. I'll come back, I'm just going up ahead. Yeah, so yeah, some of our viewers here. Always great to meet viewers, but unfortunately I think you guys couldn't see them properly because it's quite dark, and this is one of my older cameras. But yeah, I'm just trying to show you as much as possible here, because this is the main area here where you can click a lot of good photos, especially in the, like, you know, night time. You'll have a great time here. So let's just go up ahead and let me just show you. So we'll go in the light so you can see properly here. Wow, okay, so I'm like literally sweating and panting, but yeah guys, I just want to show you as much as possible. So this is called Sea Turtle, and they also have this I love Baga sign here, which is like this really nice thing which you can click good photos here. And look, they have all these hearts and things like this. Look at this, guys, how cool is this? So yeah, you can click as much as possible good photos here. So yeah, let's go and check out our last few shacks which are here before I pass out from exhaustion, because it's so hot walking so long. And yeah guys, let's go here and see the last shack. So these are the main shacks. In the night, like around 11 o'clock on weekends, this place is so full, like these places, and there's like hundreds of these all the way down the beach. But I'm not going to show you guys now. I'm going to come on a weekend and show you guys like the place when it's completely full and packed. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit so you guys have an idea if you're coming this week or sometime soon. So we came all the way from the main entrance there in Baga. Okay guys, so we are back here at the main entrance of the Baga area here, and as you can see, there's a lot of people that have started coming in. Yeah, so it's around 9 o'clock now, and there's so many people that have started to enter here. But yeah guys, just to show you the shacks, and people are all here dancing, enjoying and having a blast here, which looks good. It looks fun. I'm sure everybody's having a great time here. So yeah, so this is back at the main entrance, and just to show you the look around of the crowd here. And yeah, this is the Aggie Shack. This is the main entrance of Baga. So this is where people are from here. I'm so tired shouting to show you guys. The audio is so loud here. So yeah guys, let's show you some of the scenes from here as well. And if you see, the people are constantly coming in now from the main entrance, and yeah, everybody's enjoying here, having a blast, which seems fun. So these are the guys from the shack here. These are all my friends here. This is like the main guy here. Kaisa hai bhai? So these are all the beach boy shacks. Kaisa hai? Yeah. So yeah guys, so this is the scenes from here at the shack. They have a DJ here. Well, let's go inside, in fact, and show you guys some scenes from inside, so you guys have a good idea of the party here. So it's free, of course. Anybody can come here and dance and enjoy. So this is my friend. So yeah guys, this is the party here, free of course, having a great time. So yeah, everybody is having a blast. So yeah guys, we are going to see the last scenes from here, then we are going to go out. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are going into the Lario's shack here. So as you see the people here, everybody is having a great time. Let's go inside and check out the place here. There's foreigners dancing, there's people here having a great time. Yeah, so just to see. So we have a foreigner here dancing, enjoying himself. So let's just go inside, see the bar here, and there's a DJ here. So if you ever want to get the DJ is here. And yeah guys, this is like a fun place to have a good time. There's lots of people having a blast here. So yeah, sorry about the music, but it's so loud. I can just show you guys the party from here. So yeah guys, this is the parties here in Baga Beach guys. So guys, that is it from here in Baga. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.